Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You guys went crazy with the subs. Like literally I asked for 40 subs because we were about to hit 2,000 subscribers and you guys actually surprised me. We're almost at 2,100, so that's like an increase of about 110 subs, something crazy like that, guys. If you guys are new here for some reason, definitely subscribe. I will post daily content. I'm very bullish. I'm one of the most bullish people on here on YouTube about NIO stock. Today we're talking about NIO reaching 50,000 vehicles made. So this website right here says that NIO's 50,000 cars just rolls off the assembly line at HiFi manufacturing facility. So yeah, with government backing up this company, I think this company is gonna be something that's gonna stay around for a while. It's not gonna fail. I mean, why would the government put so much money into it and just to let it fail? They're not gonna do that. They're definitely not. They're gonna look like clowns if they do something like that. Imagine putting like a couple billion and then just like, let's take that back. No. They want this company to succeed for a reason, because it's going to benefit them economically. It's just going to bring a lot of jobs, and it's a Chinese company. They want people to start taking China seriously, and as a country that can put out great companies just like the US has done lately. But guys, this company, a lot of people are saying it's a little bit overpriced. Like it could go back to $9, especially with the downgrade that took place with Goldman Sachs. Now I do want to correct what I said earlier in the last video. I do think that the purchase of 700,000 shares, that was for the quarter, or this last quarter ended June 2020. So just recently, I still think that they're planning to add more shares though. Like the point is I just saw that post, or the screenshot. I saw it on one of the communities on Webull. Also just saw it on Facebook groups for people who talk about the stock market and everything, just other communities, and people were talking about that. I still think that they're using this as an opportunity to downgrade the stock, have it go down. People are going to panic sell to the point where the price drops, because it's going to be oversold for a bit, and it's going to go back. I feel like it's going to go to $8-9 before there's even a rally that will take place. Like before anything takes place, anything good, there's going to be a rally after it reaches a certain point. I feel like it's $8 to $9. Don't quote me on that. That's my prediction. This guy right here says he's bullish about NIO. See, we're all bullish, man. NIO gang is strong right now. He's saying right here on this Trading View post, he's like, it's oversold. It might go back to $16. If Tesla, if good news happen, they release the quarterly results and they actually show a profit, or just something good happens with Tesla, I feel like it's gonna affect NIO, because people are just gonna be more inclined to invest into the EV market. And by the way, like I said, I always say this, but this is an emerging market. It's also an emerging company. Now, if you look at Tesla sales, this is Tesla US sales figures. This is monthly vehicle sales. So I'm looking right here. You guys can see pretty much how Tesla had been doing in the past. Now there's a better website that will show actual delivery. So this is like cars that were delivered after the sale was made. They were delivered, and this is quarterly since the fourth quarter of 2015. So towards the end of 2015 to basically the second quarter of 2020. So you guys can see this information is really accurate, because last quarter two, Tesla actually delivered about 90,000 vehicles, which is insane. I mean, obviously the pandemic affected it, but they're basically getting about the same number of like quarter 4 2018, which is not bad. So look, the Tesla deliveries right here per quarter, you guys can see back in 2016, so only 4 years ago, Tesla was delivering about 14,000 vehicles for quarter 1 and quarter 2 of 2016. So they were delivering about, overall, if you want to combine those, this year. So if you want to combine all the sales or deliveries, I guess for Tesla in 2016 is about 22. So it's just 30. Let's just say 30, 40, 47. So about 50K, 50, 67. So it's about 75 to 76,000 vehicles, almost 80K in 2016. Now, if you guys look at NIO, they actually delivered about 10,000 vehicles in the 3 months ended June 2020. So quarter 2, That's basically like, what it's trying to say. They delivered about 3,740 vehicles in June 2020 alone. So this actually set a new monthly record that exceeded last month. So May, I mean. So I'm actually very excited. A lot of you guys who are also bullish on NIO are very excited about what's going to happen with the July deliveries, and if it's going to be more than June. If that's the case, we're going to find that out, man, in 11 days. So we just have to wait, maybe a few days into August before they start letting us know about that information. Now, cumulative deliveries, this article was actually posted July 8th. Cumulative deliveries is basically 46K now. They're saying that they have actually they have actually produced about 50,000 vehicles. So 50K means that they're for sure about to sell all these vehicles. These are vehicles that they know that they're going to be able to sell and everything and push out to the market. And as you guys can see, man, like this company's doing crazy numbers right now. Even for being, this is a recent company. Like this company hasn't been around for too long, man. Like it's been around since 2014, but it's only been like making headlines recently in the past 2 to 3 years. So it hasn't had that much time as like Tesla. If you guys look at Tesla has actually been selling cars since about 2013, 2012. Around there. It's just an estimate. I'm not being exact, but yeah, definitely they're getting about close to those numbers, man. So just in one quarter, they're doing about 10K. Obviously, that's less than 14,000 than what Tesla got in quarter 1, quarter 2 of 2016. But keep in mind that was 4 years ago. So now they're obviously doing much better than that. But the fact that NIO is now is getting close to that, I'm pretty sure they're gonna end up getting about 15,000 vehicle deliveries per quarter very soon. Like I'm thinking like quarter 4 of this year or quarter 3 at the soonest. So next quarter, I think we might get to that number, if not very close. So the fact that NIO is already there, NIO is basically trying to get close to where Tesla was in 2015, 2014. So obviously it's behind Tesla a lot of years, so it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna have to, right now it's playing the catch-up game. What do you guys think about this? About NIO pretty much rolling off the assembly line, 50,000 vehicles being produced, and you guys know they're gonna sell, like they're gonna be selling like crazy. When this drops even more, I actually plan on buying more. If it gets to $9, man, that's a win for me. I get to buy more, at a cheaper price. I had to lower this average cost, which I don't think is too high, because my view on this is long term. So I don't think this 1059 is even too expensive. I feel like this stock can be worth a lot more in the future, maybe like $70, $80 2 years from now. So I think that this is very cheap right now. So because my view on it is long term. I'm not looking at it like as a day trader or swing trader. Like I don't really care about these temporary losses. Really, they don't affect me, like I've been saying in my past videos. You guys can actually, if you guys are new to investing, you guys can literally buy one stock of NIO for $10, $11 once the market opens 2 days from now on Mondays, or if you're watching this on Sunday, 1 day from now. Yeah, so you guys can definitely start investing. There's links in the description of my channel on my videos. Literally, you guys can get started investing by clicking one of those links, like Webull, Robinhood. You guys will get a free stock for signing up. And with Webull, if you use my link, which is in the description, you guys will get a second bonus stock for free if you deposit at least $100 when you open and your account gets approved. So free money right there, man. It's a win-win situation. I also get free stocks. You can do that if you want to support me, and if you're new to my channel and you like my content or whatever, that really helps me out a lot. Like you guys wouldn't believe. But yeah, definitely, I'm very excited for this company. I feel like if you guys think 2020 was crazy, if they've been crushing it lately in 2020, imagine what's gonna happen in 2021. Like if you guys are already seeing like 179% growth year over year this year, 2020 compared to 2019, imagine what this growth number is going to be, this percentage is going to be next year. What if it's like 100% of growth year over year for 2021? Like they do a lot better than they have been doing so far, even this year. Like that would be crazy. Like overall, what if my guess is that they end up getting to that like 15,000 to 20,000 deliveries per quarter. It's gonna build this momentum for the company, for NIO, to where they're just gonna keep getting that and higher. Like it's gonna be like Tesla. As you guys can see here, it's all about momentum. As soon as they got like 24K, so as soon as they broke the 20,000 mark, they did not go down below that ever. You guys see this right here? I'm going through the, let me try to zoom in a bit if I can. So, you know, quarter four 2015, you know, 17K, cool. You know, they if you guys look at trends or whatever, you guys like to you know, see how trends are with these graphs, is basically like for Tesla during quarter four is when they have the most deliveries. If you guys look at quarter four 2019, look, 112K. You look at quarter four 2018, look, record broken, you know, more than quarter three, 90K right here. If you look at quarter four you know, 2017, way more than the previous quarters, right? So, and you know, quarter four 2015 is at 17K, which I'm pretty sure was way higher than any other quarter before that. So, you know, obviously that was the highest in that year. So yeah, so it looks like once you're a company that starts getting enough exposure and you start building that momentum in deliveries like Tesla did, that's something that can carry on. And if NIO right now is pretty much like in the back, just waiting, like obviously it's gonna be a while before they even get near Tesla of where Tesla is right now. Like it's gonna take years, obviously, maybe 2 to 3 years before they get to where Tesla is right now. And Tesla will still be ahead because they've just been around for a while. And I like Elon Musk. I know a lot of you guys love Elon Musk. He's a great visionary. But yeah, definitely. But NIO can still do good, man. Just like Hawaii, like the phone company in China, is doing good over there compared to Apple. Like people want to buy that phone over there, I guess. And there's obviously some people who want to buy and you know, people in China, they want to buy, you know, the Apple iPhone because they like that as a status symbol, whatever. But you know, we always have outliers. But yeah, definitely guys, keep in mind these results right here, they're not exactly you know, obviously they're rounded, as you can see, like, you know, 90,650 is not an exact number, but still it's pretty accurate. It's telling you guys how much this car is being delivered, and that can translate to how many sales they're getting. You know, so yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. 50K is a huge number. I can't wait to be here invested into this company when they hit 100,000 vehicles that they have rolled off or produced. That would be a crazy number. I feel like it's gonna come soon, hopefully before this year ends, and by then they're getting about 15 to 20K you know, deliveries per quarter. That would be amazing. That would just, I feel like the stock would just double in price. Obviously, if they double the quarterly deliveries, the stock has to double. Like if it's $10 right now, it should be at the very least $20 to $25 if that ever happens. And obviously there's so much room to grow because Tesla's killing it. Like they're getting 90K on a bad quarter. They're doing 80,000 deliveries, guys. That's Tesla on a bad quarter. You know, you know, NIO is trying to get up there, but yeah, it still has a long way before they get there, and that means that there's still room to grow for the stock price. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this, comment and subscribe. Also like the video, helps with the YouTube algorithm, everything like that. Share this video with your friends and family if you want. You know, it helps out a lot too. And definitely use the links in the description. I'll put a pinned comment where you guys can go to those links directly if you guys don't want to go through the long descriptions that I have on my videos. But yeah, definitely guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.